Hi, this is James Kennedy from james-kennedy.net, and this is just a quick walkthrough on how simple it is to build a website with Groove. And when I say Groove, you've got Groove funnels, Groove pages, Groove blah blah blah. You've got everything here. So I'm going to take you over to the platform. I've signed in, I've logged in, and I've got the apps down one side. Again, you can sign up for this for free, either from Groove, or you can sign up through my affiliate link, which is groovewithjk.com. Feel free to use either or, but I do want to show you how this works anyway, either way. Okay, so let's pop over to the desktop, and here it is. So this is me logged into the platform, and this has changed quite a lot since I signed up pretty much a year ago now. So here you've got Groove Pages, Groove Sell, which is a kind of payment type, a kind of almost an affiliate program, as well as Groove Member, Groove Video, etc, etc. But let's go to Groove Pages, and you can see exactly how it is. Now, as you can see, I have made tons of websites. There's still a lot more than that, but it's, yeah, as you can see, I made loads. So let's start with a new site. Now you can start with a blank template, and I do that most often. But again, what has happened since I get into Groove, there was probably about 12 templates to start with, but now every single week it grows more and more and more. I think there's usually about 4 or 5 new ones every single week. So you can use one of these templates as a building block, and you can edit it to your own style. But again, there's everything from book publishing to branding to financial advice, etc, etc. So let's start with something simple, and we will start with a blank template, because let's call this let's call test Feb 2021. Okay, so now we know where we're at, and this is, I'm going to show you the basis of this platform. Okay, so Groove Pages works in blocks and elements. So it's, the whole website is built on blocks, and anything that you want to be put into those blocks is the elements. So let's go to blocks first and work out what we're trying to do. Now you can have design blocks or wireframes. I prefer wireframes, but I'll show you all blocks. And these are all pre-designed, and the good thing about this as well as is if you actually make a block that you've got working and that works really well, you can save that block as a favourite and you can add it in here, which means that you can then use that block and rebrand it for some other project, which saves you an awful lot of time. I've done that for the clanirwin.org and my own website, tourguidescotland.com. Okay, so you've got all these kind of ones, and it gives you a feel for the website. But again, I prefer to kind of get a bit more creative, and I use wireframes because they don't really have, it's just very basic, and then you can fill it with what you want. So here I would be looking for, let's say it was just a one pager, and we wanted to put a right, okay, so an element like that where we could have like a picture and what the business is about, or what the product or service is about. Drag that in there. You put the picture in here, and let's say we want to share some, you just wanted it, say for talking, it was just a one pager and you wanted people to know where your business was working. So you could drop that in here as well. So if it was something, for example, you were a dog walking service or something like that, although it says image here, I don't want an image, I want to put a video in. So let's say we put in, we come down here into the elements, and we go and we look for media, and we can choose a Vimeo or a YouTube video. Let's say YouTube video. Okay, now if we take the YouTube video, and it's there now, it's just catching itself up. Okay, we don't need this picture, so let's just delete that. Okay, so we've now got a video, and again that can be resized, and you can have like a call us button here or whatever, and then you can have your website, your location, your phone number, etc. Now this is a nice part here as well. Very simple to make this video. You would just click in here, right, so configure. I'm having challenges. That happens now and again. Let's get to this part first. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Right, okay. Alright, okay, it's changed. Again, Groove is continually changing just now, so the last thing, since I've done that, you now need to press the kind of right to edit it. Okay, so configure this, and if I'm near Glasgow, so let's just say Glasgow. Now obviously this works for anywhere in the world. And now you will see Glasgow. That the map will now change to the kind of Glasgow area. Now if I wanted to say 25 Queen Street, Glasgow. Okay, let's try that. Press update. Now it will take you there to 25 Queen Street in Glasgow, and that would be an exact location. Then you would just finish out these ones and you can get them to send a message. And if you didn't want this block here, if you didn't want them to send you a message, you just wanted them to phone you direct, it would be quite simple to delete that element completely, confirm, it's gone. Now again, you could choose to, again, if that block there, you move it up, then you could possibly move it across. There's all different elements here where you, yeah, so you could have, for example, you could delete that box here, confirm, and then that would bring that to more of the middle of the page. Put your logo in, easy. Again, logo, configure, choose an image, and again I've got lots of images in here. Let's see if we can find a little kind of, right, okay, let's use mastermind circle, nice and easy. Select that, pop it in there, click update. Again, we could resize this once it's in, depending on the size of it, but that's a nice size. That's been resized for this type of thing already. Okay, and again, this video here, click on that, configure, and then you would just put your YouTube link in here and click update. And let's just go to YouTube right now, and let's say we were looking for, let's type in dog walking. Dog walking. Okay, so, and let's look for videos on dog walking, right? Dog walking tips. So if you had your video, you could probably, right, let's see, dog walking, and go to YouTube and type dog walking just to make it easier. YouTube, dog walking.
Hey, agency owner, over the last 3 years, we've worked with about 300 agency owners that wanted to be bigger, but not necessarily in the traditional sense. They wanted to make more money, but they didn't necessarily want to have to work harder or work into nights and weekends, and they didn't want a huge staff. Call it the big...
Right, okay, so there we go. There's a new link. So we take that link, copy it.
Oh my gosh.
Right, perfect. Okay, so that's perfect. That's showing some dog walking training. Come back in here to Groove, get rid of paste, and then you get rid of all that stuff that you don't need. It's just that link. You click update, and that should be in there in just a few seconds. And there you go, you've now got that dog walking training, you've got it customised to your area, and you can have these hyperlinked where you change the number and people just click phone. Click save, then publish, and it's pretty much, the website is pretty much done then. Select the domain. Okay, so we call this dog walking. Publish and publish. So now that's published, and if we go to this link here, so again it's a big long URL, so this is obviously hosted with Groove, so if I click on that, that should be live now, that website. So there you go, it's the dog walking thing, headline here, the town area, your links, and again you can click on these to make the calls, and it's as simple as that. So if you're looking for a platform that's easy to use. It's free to start with. Again, if you decide that you want to upgrade to the Pro version later on, then there is, at the moment, it is a platinum lifetime deal where you get access to all the stuff, unlimited pretty much, except on emails, as in your kind of mailing list. I think it's still restricted to like 90,000 people on your list, which is still a huge amount. However, obviously they're not having it unlimited because there is a cost to that. So there is a one-off fee right now, but again, you can still sign up for free and still build 3 websites on it, completely free. And again, you've got access to lower versions of every single app within the GrooveFunnels platform. But again, a simple website made in less than 10 minutes. So from that point of view, it's excellent. And again, if you feel like joining up to this, as I say, you just go to groovefunnels.com, or if you'd like to use my affiliate link, it's just groove with JK, that's J for James, K for Kennedy, .com. And then obviously if you ever decide to upgrade to a premium account, then I'll make a little bit of commission. So completely transparent. But either way, if you haven't used Groove and you've signed up to it already, now you've got the tools, you know how easy it is to use this. And it's published live just now. If you wanted to go to rbm.groovpages.com/dogwalking/index, you'll come to that page. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out some of my other review videos. Take care and have a great day. Bye.